Hey everyone, it's Megan with CraftyPlannerLovR here, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, we are going to be setting up August in my B6 Rings planner using the Ice Cream Kit by ReddHeadStickers. Now, this kit is not available in her shop at the current moment, but she does have some other summer-themed kits available in her shop, so definitely check it out. This was available in her shop last year, and this was something that I got during her, like, big... I think it was, like, either end of summer sale or end of winter sale. I believe it was end of summer. Anyways, I got it last year, so I really wanted to use this kit because she used to carry Wonderland B6. I don't think she carries them in her shop anymore, but she used to carry those, and this is the perfect size for the B6 planner. But I also have some things that I'm going to add to the before pages. If you guys have seen my B6 Rings setups, you know what I'm talking about. If you guys are wanting to save some money off of your ReddHeadStickers order from her Etsy shop, you can use my code, which is Megan, and it will save you 15% off of your order. You'll receive my freebie, and it is a spring freebie, but that's because she is on a little bit of a PR break right now. So I believe I am the only one in her PR team that is not taking a break, and that's just because I have so many of her stickers. Like, I'm going to share them if I can, and I'm going to help you guys save money if I can. And if she's still keeping my code active, then y'all can save some money. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and jump into this month. I also did do a planner refresh if you guys are wanting to see that. It was basically just redoing everything in my pockets and just fixing everything so that I can actually start with August, because the planner, there's only 5 tabs, so it was from March until July. So that's why we're just gonna, you know, keep on going and not worry about that. But I love this B6 Rings planner. In the B6 Rings planner, we have 2 blank pages, and then you go into the monthly calendar. So what I'm actually going to do is decorate the calendar first, and then we will do the blank pages, because I want to see how much I have left after decorating the calendar. So we're going to try and use the B6 kit. And I'm thinking of using this green washi for the top, because we do have an extra set of that green washi over here. I think it'll work. Let's see. So how are you guys? Have you had a good month? I know that, you know, August has just started, but I meant, sorry if you hear that loud car driving by. I'm filming at a busy time of day, apparently. But anyways, I know that, you know, June, that August just started, but how has your July been? Did you guys get anything exciting done for July? Like, let me know. I'm curious, and I'm also nosy. You guys know that. Are we surprised? No, probably not. You're probably not surprised that I'm nosy. I like to know what's going on with you guys. I like to know the deets. Okay, I'm actually gonna do it down here. That's not, oh crap. This paper loves ReddHeadStickers stickers. They really just adhere to the paper really well, which is really, really good, unless you make mistakes like I do, and then you're like, oh man. Oh my gosh, how has the weather been where you guys are? It is ungodly hot outside. I am melting as per usual, and it is just disgusting. So I hope you guys are finding ways to stay cool and to not, you know, die outside, because it's pretty gross out there. I'm not even gonna lie. So I'm hoping you guys are finding ways to not be hot and gross out. Okay, so one of the reasons why I wanted to grab this is because we're going to put this on the sidebar, because this is for the Classic Happy Planner, this sidebar sticker. But I don't care, because we're going to use it here. And I am aware that it is too big for the spread, and that is okay because we're just going to let it hang over and cut the excess off because I'm lazy and I don't feel like cutting it. Are you guys like that? Do you just like not want to deal with cutting things? Because I for sure am. Look at that, so pretty. Okay, and then we'll probably put like a deco sticker. This is deco from her kit, and I'm thinking we might just use this one. Nope, that's not big enough. Whoopsie. Okay, how do we use the ice cream store? When you guys think of summer, do you think of ice cream? Or are you like, I can't have ice cream? And if you are like that, I'm so sorry. I love ice cream so much. I can't have a lot of it, but I do like it. All right, let's do the numbers. I don't want to use these numbers because they're too pretty, or they're too pretty. They are too pretty. They're too plain. When I have some other numbers that I can use in my reusable sticker book, I think. Yeah, I'm not going to use these numbers. I'm going to use a different set of numbers. So let's go ahead and actually do the numbers. I've got to figure out when the month ends. Okay, it starts on a Thursday, so it starts right here. All right, let me put these numbers down. I'm going to use these ones. And then I will put the dates down, and then we will continue with decoration. All right, so I have done all of the dates, put the days of the week on. Forgot to mention, this is probably important for you to know, this is my sticker a day challenge. That's where I do a sticker every single day for the entire month. And that's pretty much it. It's just a sticker a day. So what I'm going to do now is add some of these box stickers, which kind of fit this planner, but kind of don't, like as far as like the sizing. There we go. Probably do one more. So let's do the ice cream word. I try very hard to make sure that it looks put together. You know what I mean? Let's use, this one might be too big, but we're still going to try it. No, it's probably just the perfect size, honestly. Let go. Thank you. There we go. Now it looks like it fits a little bit better. And then let's put this on here, because why not? I wanted to put it on the other day, but I didn't get a chance to, and now we can. Perfect. Okay. I honestly think that that's probably good. Maybe the only thing I need to do is do this across the top. I don't have to do it, but I think it would look nice. Okay. Then we'll cut. Pulling out the wrong side, guys. Right there. All right. There we go. That's cute. Okay, now let's do this. Now, these pages are what I like to call my challenges spreads. Let me explain. I'm actually not going to use this washi because it's way too big, and for what I want to do with this spread, it's not going to work. So, let me see. I think that I used up all of the other washi. I did. Okay. So, let's see if I can do something with this. I have an idea. Anyways, back to my discussion of what this spread is. This is my challenges. So there is on Instagram a monthly sticker challenge, and it is by the creator Bless Your Heart Stickers. And I do her sticker challenges every single month. And I really like them. I think they are really fun. So, she has one every single month. And then there is another sticker challenge, and I've got to find out what her name is. It is Four Bears Sticker Club. They have a sticker challenge as well. So I do one of each on either side. So speaking of, I should probably put a box down for those. Let's do, since there are two purples, we'll do purple for the title of the challenge. There's that one there and that one there. And I think we could probably sneak in some ice cream deco just to go with the theme a little bit. I don't want to do too much deco because it's the sticker challenge that I'm doing here, so I don't want to confuse the stickers that I'm doing, but I feel like that's pretty good. Maybe like one more of this ice cream deco. Let's do one there, and we'll do one there. That's cute. I like it. And I have plenty of stickers for later. So, like, literally so many stickers. So this is good. That means I can use this next year for another kind of spread. All right, everyone, that is it for August in my B6 Rings planner using the ice cream kit by ReddHeadStickers. Once again, if you guys are wanting to save some money off of your order, you can use my code Megan and it will save you 15% off and you'll receive my cute freebie. I would really highly recommend you guys check out ReddHeadStickers. Like I said, she works super hard and she deserves all of the love and support you guys can give her. If you're interested in seeing any of my B6 Rings planner videos, you can check out the description box below so you can see how I've used these other spreads. Keep an eye out because I will be sharing a YouTube short very soon on what I have done in the past 6 months in this planner, so definitely keep an eye out for that, like in these pages here. So I really hope you guys are enjoying my B6 Rings planner spreads. If you guys do like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I post new videos. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I truly hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, craft on. Bye guys.